Hey everyone, welcome back to In the Office with Scott and Wallace. I am Robert Scott, and we're here today to give away our 4 tickets to the Gulf Coast Jam in Panama City, Florida this weekend. There are some great acts that are going to be part of this show over the 3-day weekend. It looks like the headliners are the Florida Georgia Line, Eric Church, Thomas Rhett, and a host of others. Justin Moore, Chris Jansen, Dustin Lynch, Chase Rice. Many great acts. Many of the people that I saw in the comment section for all of you who registered to win these tickets. And we are going to give those away probably in the next, 10 minutes or so. Today we thought it'd be a good idea to let you hear the type of music we listen to. I, in fact, am a country music fan. Let me show you this. Got my cowboy boots on today, so we're in the vibe here at Scott and Wallace. So George Strait would be my pick as my favorite country music star or artist, and there's too many songs to choose from, but Amarillo by Morning is one of my favorites. I thought it'd be a good idea now I want to take you through the office like we normally do, let you see the staff, and I'm going to put them on the spot and make them tell you their favorite country music stars as well. And just so we're clear, we really are doing a drawing. Everybody's name is in the bowl. Here are the tickets, and let's go see Rachel.
Hello.
Hold on, Rachel.
Too eager.
Yeah, don't be too eager. So here's Rachel. She's one of our legal assistants. Say hello to everybody on Facebook if you
Hello,
will.
everybody on Facebook.
All right, and the theme for the day is country music.
Yes.
Are you a fan?
I am a fan of country music. Yes.
Okay. Who is your favorite artist
I would
or
have
group?
my favorite group. I'd have to say it's a classic, the Dixie Chicks.
Dixie Chicks.
Yes.
Very popular.
Cowboy Take Me Away and what Earl's Dead. That you just can't beat that.
Awesome. I'm sorry you can't go to the country music festival.
That's
We're giving
okay.
these tickets away. Next time.
It's okay. Maybe next time.
What do you plan to do over Labor Day weekend?
I'm planning on taking a little beach vacation with my dog, boyfriend, and his son.
Nice.
Yes.
All
Very
right.
excited to enjoy it and relax.
Well, that sounds fun. That's
Yes.
a close second to this festival.
Yes, I wish I could go to the festival, but I guess I'll just go with the beach.
All right. Thanks, Rachel.
You're welcome.
All right. So now we are going to see Melinda.
Hi.
Hey, Melinda. How are you?
Good. How are you?
We are good. We're getting the country music vibe in the office. I'm here to ask you who your favorite country music artist is.
I am a big fan of Garth Brooks.
Garth Brooks. Favorite song?
Would be. I don't know now. I like Rodeo.
Rodeo.
Yes.
Okay. You want to sing a little?
No,
I'm
thank
just
you.
kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, everyone. Let's go back this way. Check in on our pre-suit department. And by the way, we are going to give some tips today. We're just having a little fun out the gate. Now, this employee I know is a big country music fan.
Yes.
What's up, Tori?
Hi.
Can you share with the people on Facebook your favorite country music star or group?
Alan Jackson.
Alan Jackson.
Yes.
Okay. Throwback Thursday on Tuesday. You a big fan of his mullet or mustache or what?
Everything.
Everything about it? Favorite song?
Chattahoochee.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. What are you doing this weekend?
Moving. I will be moving back to Smith Creek.
All right. Well, good luck with all that, all right?
Thank you.
All right. Swing over. What's up, Annabelle?
How are you guys?
How are you?
Good.
Busy?
Yeah.
All right.
Staying busy.
Country music, your thing or not your thing?
Not really, but I do like Johnny Cash, so I don't know if that counts.
That absolutely counts.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the I guess, the founders of
Yeah.
country music.
Just not new country music.
That's right. All right. Well, any favorite songs, or just kind of like his voice?
Prison Blues.
There you go. There you go. Well, keep working. We appreciate everything you're doing.
Thank you.
Summer,
Hey.
what's up? Country music fan in
Yes.
Cairo, Georgia. I know.
Yes.
Who is it?
Reba McEntire.
Reba McEntire.
Yeah.
Favorite song?
Is There Life Out There? It was the first song I ever learned how to sing.
You want to sing some now?
No.
All right.
Absolutely not.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Thank you. All right, guys. So before we give away these tickets, we are going to, I think we're going to try to implement this every Tuesday, but we're going to go ahead and give you some pro tips regarding personal injury law as well as employment law and workers' compensation. I think we'll start with Matt. I think he's going to give you a tip on employment law, and I'm going to head that way right now. Matt, what's up?
Hey guys, how we doing?
How are you?
Good. Happy Tuesday.
Favorite country music? Star.
Sturgill Simpson.
Sturgill Simpson. That's a great one.
And I already got New Age with it.
That is a good one. Favorite song?
Probably In Bloom. Recover In Bloom.
Nirvana cover. All right. Yeah, look that one up. That's a great one, guys.
Yeah, it's a good one.
But we're not here to talk to you about music necessarily. We want you to tell us a little bit, or give us a helpful tip regarding employment law, your practice areas.
We were talking earlier about some ideas, and I think overtime is something that a lot of people, it comes into play for their job. I think it's an important aspect. I think a lot of people understand the general concept of overtime, kind of over 40 hours a week. Certain employees, if you're a salaried employee, generally you're not covered by overtime. There are a bunch of other exemptions that come into play. You're due in time and a half for every hour worked over 40 hours. Then there's a lot of questions that go into that as far as coverage goes, and what constitutes work, whether it's on call or break times or travel times. So it can be a complicated area of law that we deal with here. And if you've got any questions about whether you're covered, whether you're entitled to overtime, maybe you think you deserve overtime, but your company isn't accounting all of your hours properly, it can be a complicated area of law. So feel free to contact us, free of charge. We can talk to you about your situation and let you know if you're entitled to it and your employer hasn't been paying you.
You might even have said it. Generally speaking, if someone's an hourly employee and they're being asked to work overtime, what are they entitled to?
You're entitled to time and a half. So if you're making $10 an hour, every hour that you work over 40 hours, you should be getting paid $15 an hour. And there are very, like I said, some exceptions to companies that and employees that are covered with overtime. But if you think that you're entitled to overtime and maybe you're not receiving it, then like I said, feel free to give us a call and we can walk through your situation and see what we can do for you.
Sounds good, Matt. Appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
I need to get you some boots, man.
I know.
All right. We're going to head over real quickly before we do this drawing and see Clint, who is in our study here. And I'm going to get him to give you a personal injury tip this week. Hey, Clint.
What's up, Robert?
How are you, man?
I'm all right.
You're looking very regal today.
All right.
You're in the mood with your boots as well, I see. So
Yeah, we are.
appreciate you being festive.
There you go.
Just like we've been asking everybody, favorite country music star, artist, or group?
Okay, favorite country music. I'm going to go with Randy Travis. Growing up, my grandmother had that playing on the cassette player all the time, so I got a lot of old childhood memories with Randy Travis.
All right.
Voice of an angel.
Favorite song?
Probably Forever and Ever Amen.
There you
Most
go.
Think of Green. So,
There you go. That's a good one.
yeah.
All right. So, anything specifically you've been working on that's on your mind as it pertains to personal injury law?
So pro tip of the day is buy uninsured motorist coverage. We talk about this on almost every one of these Tuesday afternoons that we do a segment, but we can't say it more. Robert and I were at lunch today. I looked at a study that we saw that Florida ranked #1 in the country for least amount of insured drivers, or fewest amount, which is not a ranking you want to be high in. Studies show that 73% of insurers or drivers in Florida are insured. That means 27% of people don't have any insurance. And the only way to protect yourself in the event that you're in an accident is to buy uninsured motorist coverage. Compared to all other forms of coverage on your policy, uninsured motorist coverage is one of the cheapest, and it's one of the only ones that protects you in case you're injured. And
So we hear the term all the time. We have a lot of people that call our office and we ask if they have uninsured motorist coverage, and they say, yes, I've got full coverage. Is that necessarily true?
it's not. So it's a common misnomer. A lot of people say when they have full coverage, what they mean is the insurance companies told them that they have the minimum coverage required by law, which in Florida only is PIP insurance and property damage insurance. There's not any uninsured motorist coverage there, so you want to make sure you ask your agent, or if you buy online, make sure that you ask for uninsured motorist coverage and it's part of your policy.
And uninsured motorist coverage doesn't just mean the other driver is completely uninsured. It can apply in other circumstances as well, right?
That's right. So it's called uninsured motorist coverage or underinsured motorist coverage. So sometimes the person that causes your accident and injures you carries insurance, but they don't carry enough for the value of your case. And in that situation, you want underinsured motorist coverage, which is part of that uninsured motorist policy that I've been talking about. So good point there.
And hit and run accidents as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We get a lot of calls from people that have been in accidents. The person that hits them leaves the scene for whatever reason. And if you can't find that person, you can't sue AIR, as I heard you talk about earlier today. But if you have uninsured motorist coverage, then you're able to bring a claim. So,
Right. All right. Well, I appreciate it. That's all very valuable information, and I hope everyone watching this heeds that advice, because it is a very sad situation if you find yourself injured at the hands of an uninsured motorist coverage. You have serious injuries, unpaid medical bills, lost wages, and of course the severe pain, suffering, mental anguish associated with dealing with all of that. And there's not much that can be done. So protect yourself and buy uninsured motorist coverage. You wanna join me up front? We're gonna give these tickets away.
all right, yeah.
All right. All right. You want to do the honors?
Yeah. All right.
So,
Showed them the bowl here.
yep. So we have the bowl. Come on out, Matt. Matt's got the tickets. You're gonna be Vanna White today.
All right.
All right. And then Clint, if you would draw one name from the bowl.
All right, let's see who we got. All right, the winner of the 4 tickets is Tammy Brown Whitefield.
All right, Tammy. Excited for you, Tammy.
Congratulations, Tammy. You'll have to send us a picture of you at the festival having a big time.
That's right. There's the tickets. All right, so we're going to have those for you, Tammy, at our office. If for some reason you cannot go any longer, please let us know immediately. We hope you can, and if you contact us through Facebook, we'll give you directions to our office if you don't know where we are. We're on the corner of Brevard and North Monroe, right downtown, so very easy to find. But we'll get you here. We want to get these tickets in your hand and get you heading over to Panama City this weekend.
Awesome.
With that, anything else, guys?
Enjoy the show.
All right.
Have fun, Tammy.
All right, Tammy, have a great time, and to everyone, have a very safe and wonderful Labor Day weekend. We'll see y'all next Tuesday.